Vice President Jejomar Binay goes in the offensive against Liberal Party standard-bearer Mar Roxas during a sortie in Las Piñas today. Binay warns voters against Roxas' supposed ineffective leadership style. The United Nationalist Alliance standard-bearer slams the administration's supposed inaction over Metro Manila's transportation problems.
Dapat ko ang magiging Pangulo nakapagpakita naman ng kakayanang mamahala. Hindi ko yung baka nga may karanasan. Gusto pala ho yung traffic na namamahala, yung MRT mga mamatay kayo sa nervyos. Yun may karanasan, puros kapalpakan naman. Ako, sa aking pamamahala, hindi lamang ho sa pagiging mayor, kundi sa pagkapangalawang Pangulo, nagawa ko ho ng tama ang aking mga dapat gawin.
The MRT-3, with its frequent breakdowns, lack of coaches, overcrowding, and dysfunctional elevators and machines, is a long-standing problem for the Aquino administration. Binay resigned from the Aquino cabinet last year for its supposed crooked and failed governance, and is hitting Roxas for supposedly being ineffective during his time as Transportation and Interior Secretary. Binay cites his experience as former Housing and Overseas Filipino Workers Affairs czar as part of his qualifications to run for president.
Naalala ko pa nung si Mayora Aguilar, kasama ko pa sa pagbibigay ng titulo rito, dito sa Las Piñas. Marami ho ako naibigay ng mga titulo na taon-taon na, puros paghako na napapako. At nabanggit po kanina ni Senator Gringo Nasal, yung OFW, dito sa Las Piñas, hindi ko lang malaman kung ganong karami ho ang natulungan ko na makabalik dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. Talagang pinersonal ko na matulungan yung ating mga kababayan na gusto na ho umuwi galing sa Middle East.
Binay also thanks the city residents who helped him beat Roxas in the 2010 elections.
Mga taga Las Piñas, maraming salamat po. Ibinoto nyo ko at lumamang ho ko. Sa kalaban ko pa rin hanggang ngayon ng 20,000 boto humigit kumulang.
In 2010, Binay got more than 90,000 votes against the 70,000 votes of then Liberal Party Vice Presidential Bet Roxas. Las Piñas has over 304,000 voters registered for the May elections. While Binay faces multiple corruption allegations, he says his edge over the other candidates is his 30 years of experience as a public servant as well as his capacity to lead. For the Vice President, what the other candidates are promising now, he has already achieved not just as Makati Mayor, but as Vice President of the Philippines. Mara Cepeda, Rappler, Las Piñas.